Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of the vlog. We are in springtime now. There are a lot of things happening. We got deals coming our way left, right, and center. Now, if you haven't done so already, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so we can encourage people all over the world to start their very own short-term rental business. Okay, so some fantastic news. I've been holding on to this one for a while, but I am signing the lease for my next Airbnb, and this one will go live the beginning of April, which is in about 2 to 3 weeks from now. This time, I'm actually going to beat my record. I don't know if I have a record yet of how fast I can get an Airbnb up and listed, but I think I've learned enough along the way that we can do this and do it pretty quickly. Now, what's cool about this Airbnb is that all my money is tied up and I'm in the off season. And so I was like, man, I have this opportunity to take this property, but how am I going to furnish it? And so what I did is I reached out to an investor and I made them a deal that they could not refuse. If you want to know what that deal is, comment below. I made them a deal that they couldn't refuse, and they just sent me the money today, and now we are signing this lease. Okay, so I'm here with my kids today, and we are shopping for our new place, which we're gonna call Explorer Way. And we got a lot of shopping to do. I just spent $1,500 on Amazon yesterday, and who knows how much this bill is gonna be today at Walmart. Hey Luke, what you got there, bud?
Golden cup.
He's got the golden cup for the golden boy. Okay, so we have loaded up our carts here, and Luke, where are you? Get in there. This is what you call Classroom with Daddy, Entrepreneurship 101, how to set up your Airbnb. So check out what we buy here though. Okay, Luke, are you tired? I think he has shopped till he dropped, but we have loaded up our carts here. So we got lots of stuff in here. I'm not sure how much this is gonna cost us yet, but we're gonna figure it out. Hey Levi, how much do you think this order is gonna cost?
$17,000.
Oh my gosh. Hey Luke, how much is this order gonna cost?
109.
Real quick, boys, big shout out to Mr. Beast. What do you got in your hands? Feastables. Feastables. I call them Feastables. Shout out. Shout out. Okay, we got lots of stuff going. About to see the damage here in a second. So we have spent $1,250 at Walmart today. I spent $1,500 last night on Amazon, so we're $2,750 in so far for furnishings. And it's more so like cleaning and kitchen stuff and all the little things that we need to get one of these listings off the ground. Okay, boys, you gonna eat your Feastable?
Yeah, I just opened my hot pack.
Nice. You got a good card? Nice.
We got Connor McDavid.
McDavid. Okay, how's the Feastable?
I didn't try it.
Oh, thumbs up.
I tried
Lukey's
it.
a little bit slow getting his open.
That's good.
The goal at this Airbnb is I want to get it done as efficient as possible. So I don't want to be going to Walmart a million times, HomeSense a million times. So I'm using my shopping list that I have. I'll drop one below in the description so you guys can have access to it as well. And I'm basically using that to get things done as quickly as possible. In addition to getting it done fast, I also want to get it done as cost effective as possible. I don't want to be spending thousands of dollars. I'm trying to get this place listed, up, running, 20K or less. Man, I am so juiced right now. This is absolutely my favorite part of doing the Airbnb business. I love staging. I don't even think I could ever delegate this to anyone else because I love it that much, but yeah. Okay, so today is the day we are getting the keys for Explorer Way. I've already done a bunch of shopping at Walmart and Amazon in preparation of this day. So I'm gonna go meet the landlord. We're gonna pick up the keys and we're gonna drop some of the stuff off that we have in the back. And my goal is to get this up next week. So we'll see if we can do it. Okay, so we're inside of Explorer Way, checking it out. I'm here with the boys, my little entrepreneur team, and we're gonna get a vibe for this place and see what has to be fixed up, if anything, and get this place ready for next week. Well, for some reason, my boys want to go to the basement, so we're gonna go check out the basement. Okay, Luke, dude. Okay, powder room, bathroom. It's actually really nice in here. Let's see if I can get some light going, but look at this. Yeah, there we go. Look, wow. So I think we open those blinds, man. It's gonna look real nice. It's funny, when I first came to this one, I thought it was going to be really dark and dingy, but the more, I mean, it's actually really bright. So check this out. I'm going to give you guys the walkthrough. This is the before, right? Because once we transform this place, you guys are like, oh my gosh. And I'm going to show you guys how you take a place that is empty and feels homeless to turning it into an Airbnb home. Okay, so as we walk in, this is the front hallway. Come down over here. There's a powder room. Okay. We have access to the basement right here. We come into the kitchen. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this small fridge yet. I gotta think about that, but I might keep it, we'll see. Kitchen leads to the living room. Nice spacious space. It's nice and echoey. We got a little bit of work to do on the walls. You guys might not be able to see it, but you gotta patch those walls up. So then over here to the left, we have like a laundry room and a closet, which I think I'm just gonna leave it. I wanted to have a maid closet, specifically like on the main floor, but I think I'm gonna have to put it in the basement like I've done at our other units. Okay, so we go upstairs. And voila, nice and bright. As soon as I come up the stairs, got two monkeys wrestling right now. They think they're in the UFC. Well, here's a nice walk-in closet, master bathroom, and the UFC area, the octagon. Okay, coming out of the master, we go to the left and we have one of the smaller rooms, but still enough for me to get a queen size bed in here. So in this house, I'm actually gonna we have 4 bedrooms. We'll be able to have 8 guests here. Yeah, we'll go in this room next. This is kind of room number 3, another smaller room, but nice and bright. I love it. I love the brightness. And then as we come out of here, we have main floor bathroom. Turn the lights on. Here we go. Hello. I love it. There's already shower rods here, so that saves me a little bit of money. And then we kind of come into guest room like number 2. And I didn't open up the blinds, but I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see how bright it is. All right, yeah, look at that. It's so bright in here. I love it. I love the brightness. It's so good. So much sunlight. Here's our walk-in closet right here. So this is the house. This place is going to be incredible. The price is really, really good. The neighborhood is exactly where I want it. It's about a 2-3 minute drive to the city of Niagara Falls, about 20 minutes to landmark of Niagara Falls. And you have 4 bedrooms in here, 4 beds. We can sleep 8, possibly even 10 people. I might put a pull-out sofa downstairs so I can get 10 people into this place, which will help it book out more. But anyways, guys, that's it. This is the before. Okay, so we're actually in the backyard right now, and we made our first $5 because we found this $5 bill. Where did we find it, Luke?
On the grass,
Yep.
right over there.
I get a good feeling about this place. We're already making money, and it's only the first day. All right, so I'm back at Leon's today, and I gotta find myself a couple of couches for Explore. And as you guys know, I like to come here. I'm gonna see if I can find a deal or 2, but my goal is I want to spend like $1,500 or less on sofas, so we'll see if we can get it done. But first, I gotta get these guys out of the truck. Let's go, boys. Okay, so we're inside Leon's. We're checking it out. We're trying to find the couch. We got a couple that we're looking at. Went in the clearance section. There was actually some pretty decent stuff there. What'd you think, Levi? Yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna grab a dresser from there. Maybe a chair. We'll see. All right, Levi, go sit on that couch for me, buddy. Let me know how it is. Boom. One. Luke, get in there. You like it? So I think I'm gonna get 2 of these, which are the same couches that we got at Sunflower, but it's just such a good deal and a great couch. All right, so $2,000. We got 2 couches and a dresser for the master bedroom. So I'm pretty happy with that. Couches are coming on Tuesday. Today is Saturday, so that's the 1st. So it's gonna be coming together pretty quickly here. It was church day today, but we still gotta work. Suits and all, doesn't matter. We gotta drop off some of the stuff. I got TVs. I got the shelves for the maid closet. We're dropping it off here. We're getting this place ready this week. It's Sunday. My goal is to have it done by Thursday. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm not much of a morning guy, but I did have to get up early so we can get our couch delivery from Leon's. You can tell they're here this morning. And so they are setting up the couches downstairs right now. In the meantime, I'm doing some patching on the walls with a little bit of spackle and getting these things ready for paint. This wall here. There we go. There's not too much patchwork here to do, but there is a little bit. And so we'll get that done and get this place ready for Airbnb. Okay, couches are in. Now I need a rug, I need a TV. Gonna put a wicker basket with a throw blanket over there, a center table, and in addition to that, we'll need a table over here, a lamp. In other words, there's still a lot of stuff that has to happen here, but it's all gonna come together pretty quickly. between now and the next couple of days. Okay, so I'm at Winners right now. I usually come here looking for night tables. It's a great place to find them. I actually found 4 here. I have to go to another Winners to see if I can get more, but let me show you guys the night tables real quick. Okay, so here's the night tables here. I'm going to take these 4. I wish they had another one of that. And then also I found some art, believe it or not. Look at this bad boy. So I'll use that in one of the bedrooms. Guys, I hit the jackpot with night tables. It's usually really hard to find them. I came to one Winners, one I usually don't come to, and I have 3 bedrooms now worth of night tables. Okay, so I just left another HomeSense. I went to another one that's like 20 minutes away from the one I was just at. Found the rest of the lamps that I need. They actually had some really nice night tables there, but I think I'm good for night tables. So anyway, it's been a good day. Now I'm going to pick up Jeanette, get some places cleaned, and then back to Explorer to get this place done. Okay, so I'm back at Explorer today, and we got the beds coming in. So we're going down steps here. And so we got our mattresses. Let me show you. So company just showed up. So I have 1 king mattress and 3 queens. I got a killer deal at Sleep Country. How much did I pay? It was like 2,500 bucks. It was really, really cheap. It was really good. So super excited. Got my partners in crime with me here. Okay, so got the king mattress in. It's looking good. It's coming together. Okay, what do you think, boys? Looking good? So we're gonna go to Costco next, and we gotta grab some things from Costco. I already bought all the art yesterday. Spent $1,250 on art alone. I got all the art that we need. And now it's Costco. I'm just getting the last items. I have to go back to HomeSense. I gotta grab some things there. I'll probably do that tomorrow or Saturday, but we're just about ready for photos. Okay. Put that on the kitchen counter for me, buddy, okay? Levi, you give me a hand? All right, there's Levi taking out the painting. Good job, buddy. Okay, so it's Amazon order day. I've been waiting for this for over a week, but because I ordered so many items at once from Amazon, it literally flagged my order and they canceled the whole thing. So I had to call them, which is like almost impossible to do. Get my account reinstated and then reorder it, and I just did it in smaller batches. Well, here we go, baby. I got box. We're getting this thing ready to list and launch. Okay, so I am going to my second favorite store. My first one is HomeSense. My second is Best Buy, baby. I gotta try and find a cheap 65-inch TV and a cheap 55-inch TV, and guess what? They close in 10 minutes. Okay, so I was in and out in probably 20 minutes. So I went in, grabbed 2 TVs, paid a little bit more than I wanted to be honest with you, but we gotta get the place up and going, and every day that we're not up, we're losing money, right? So, okay, gotta drop these off. Okay guys, I just got back from Explorer. I'm home now, and all I can say is I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get this property up in time. I keep going to look at dining room tables, and it is just not working out. I had one lined up, it got sold. I had another one lined up, and then they ghosted me, and that's one of the problems with Facebook Marketplace, by the way. So we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get this thing up and running. I don't know if I'm gonna hit my goal, but that's why we set goals, right? We set goals, we aim for that thing. If we shoot for the stars and hit the moon, that's a good thing.